you guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm gonna be showing you all of my fidgets kept in this huge bin. And I know that I've been starting to get away from the fidget stuff, but a couple of my fidget videos got a couple likes, so yeah, maybe we should do another one. But yeah, I'm also running out of ideas. So yeah, like and subscribe, and let's get into it. First, I'm gonna move my microphone because I'm in the box. So let's go. I'm just gonna look away and pick. Okay, so this is an orange textured poppet. And now today's not a rating video, so I'm not gonna rate it like from 1 to 10. It's just showing you. It's textured, it's nice. Yeah, it gets satisfying because sometimes when you pop down one bubble, you can hit actually 2 bubbles and it'll be like dominoes on the good side. See? That only did 2, but whatever. It's really good. So yeah, I like it. Okay, marble mesh. I love marble mesh. Okay, so this is a green. Oop, I held it too high. This is a green one with a brown marble. It's like an army color, like brown and green. It's really satisfying. It goes all the way up to the top and then can skirt all the way back down. So it's pretty fun. I love the feeling of the netting. So yeah. Wow, I really like it. Next. Not my water snake. Okay. This is a blue fish, clownfish water snake. I also had a yellow one, but I lost it. So this one is probably one of my second favorite fidgets. I don't like it only because it's all dirty, so it doesn't look as clear as it did before. But yeah, I love the little fishes, the glitter. If you can't see the glitter, I'm sorry. Ooh. So yeah, these are really fun. So if you don't have one, get one. They're only like $2 off Amazon. Okay, next. Monkey noodle. So, I love monkey noodles. They're so stretchy. You can tie them, you can braid them. Yes, you can braid them. Like, you know how you can braid your hair? You can braid these with like 3 monkey noodles. It's awesome. See, you can tie them. So these are really fun. You can twist them. But they don't really do anything. Like, I know they can stretch and pull them and like braid them, put it around your like arm for like a necklace or a bracelet. But it's just a noodle. But yeah, whatever. Let's move on. What's this? Oh, okay. So this is a needle Nico. And everyone's like, what? A needle Nito? This is not a Nito. This is just like, oh wow, Nito. Like how people say it. Instead of neat, they say Nito. So, anyways, if not, then my family's been lying to me because that's what they said it was called. But it's just called a noisemaker, and I like it. So, my sister was lying to me. But whatever. I like these, but sometimes these things poke me, because some of them don't go down. Like, you ever got one of these and like they don't go down, so they like poke you? Yeah, that happens too much. And it also leaves my hands sore from putting my hand on the needle. So, yes, if you have one, I know they're great fidgets, but sometimes I just get sick of them, but I still like them. Probably like my 10th favorite. Okay. Next. Ooh, hold on. Before I do that, let's see what happens when I put a marble mesh. So this is the marble mesh in the noisemaker. And yes, I took out the marble mesh. Here's the back when you take out. Oh, let's try the monkey noodle. I'm gonna put mine in a circle. Oh wow. So that is the monkey noodle. You pop it. Here's the poppet. Pew pew. Wow, look at the back. They look like little roses. Let's pop them. Oh, never mind. Okay. Water snake. No, that doesn't make anything. Okay, whatever. Let's move on. My heart poppet. Wow. Long time no see. I thought I lost it. And I actually thought I lost it, but I didn't. So This is a heart textured ABC letter poppet. Teal. I like it only because it's textured. And the pop sound is so nice. And I love the textures and the sound it makes. And it's good on both sides, see? Bad side, and then good side, bad side. It's really good. Yeah, I just woke up. Maybe if they would have done another bubble right here and another bubble maybe right there, and then same on the other side, maybe I would like it just a teensy bit more. But yeah, it's probably my third favorite. Let's see. Is that? Oh, okay. So next I have this textured pink monkey noodle. I also have, why is our troll literally just chilling in here? Sorry. I'm gonna take this out. Alright. I have like so many drawers next to my bed, so I shove everything in there. Yes, I'm done. Anyway, or whatever. Okay, I think that's all I have. No, I have another yellow. Sorry, guys. Oh, yeah, right. Get back in there. Okay. These textured stretchies. I got 2 flamingos and 3 alligators. And I have yellow, pink, purple, are those 3 colors I have. These are like my favorite. I think they're so adorable, and I think that you can stretch them. And also, sorry about my TV, you can use them as nails. So, yeah. Okay. I use them as nails a lot. Okay, whatever. Next, I'm actually just gonna take a look and just grab. I'm gonna grab 2 at once. Oh. Dimple Dimple Simple Dimple. This is my favorite, all-time favorite. Next is the Dimple Dimple. I love the colors. I also love the colors on the Simple Dimple and this Jumper Dimple. Okay. Next. Why do I keep grabbing two at once? Okay, let me have this orange poppet and this rainbow poppet. The rainbow poppet's better than any of my poppet. And yes, there is going to be a part 2. So I'm actually going to put the orange one back so I can just do this. This is like my favorite part. I love the colors and I love everything. So yeah, again, one of my favorites, probably like my first. Just kidding. Oh, strawberry. This is definitely my first. I don't even want to explain it. I just want to play. This is my favorite. So, this is like my all-time favorite. I'm giving it a spot in my first. And the orange one, which I don't want to explain. It's only orange, but orange is like my first favorite color. So I really like it. And again, there is gonna have to be a part 2. Next, Marble Mash. I have a lot of monkey noodles, which I only have like 10. Like, that's not even a lot. So again, monkey noodles are kind of boring to me. But these marble meshes, these are all like a 10. These are all a 10. I love marble mesh. Especially this one, so skinny. Skinny. Look at. And you're telling me that ain't skinny. Next. The limit on here is 18 and at 19. So yeah. I think that's it. I'm gonna do a part 2. Don't worry, I'm completely gonna do a part 2. I'm not gonna let you down. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell so you know what every day when I'm posting. Tomorrow I will be posting a video of the part 2 of showing you my fidgets. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and again, don't forget, tomorrow I want you on here by 7, because that's when I usually post. And like and subscribe and hit the bell. Bye!